Los Penasquitos Canyon Preserve. Dogs must be leashed. Andrew? You dog. And here we go. Here's the map of the Los Penasquitos. This is be our destination. We're gonna go to the waterfall right up here. 3 miles from where we're at. Cool. Here we go, the beautiful Penasquitos River. I guess it's Penasquitos River. I don't know. It's a cool little bridge over the river here. We're gonna go over and check out this grave site. And John J. Archer, in memory of John J. Archer, died in January 6, 1882. Yeah, so this has been here for a minute. They are beautiful horses. What are their names?
Bravo,
oh,
huh?
Bravo, nice. It's a pretty well maintained trail. I mean, the rangers, they live right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this single track here. Hi, buddy. Check out this guy.
You see deer tracks here, actually, where they've been running through. So we're gonna try to see. I kind of was hoping to cut them off here because I saw the general direction in which they were running. It's getting ready to run, I think. There it goes. That's all we got for the deer. I think it probably pranced a little too far away for us to be able to find it again. Well, we're trying to catch up to our deer again. Thought we saw it there for a minute and it flashed into the woods. So, trying to see if it can be found here. But I'm not sure if it's still there. It's hard to tell sometimes. They do camouflage really, really well. I do now. So I just hope that our color... That's the one I was looking at. Was there a different one besides that? There it goes.
Is poison oak. Get a good look at it. I just got into a big bunch of this stuff the other day. It was all over me. So I just want to say, be warned, because this stuff is nasty.
Open space lands. It's been conserved for its habitat value.
Nice. We just saw a big deer right there.
Sweet. Yeah, right now is they're calving.
Nice.
They're having their babies now.
He wasn't very afraid of me. He just like looked at me like, whatever.
Yep, you're here. You've gotten kind of used to us. We have 14 different habitat types in Penasquitos Canyon, which is sort of amazing.
Nice.
We have everything from the riparian wetlands to beautiful grasslands.
You have to repair this because obviously a couple weeks ago there was a big flood here, right?
Yeah, the water didn't go up and over.
Oh, it
The water
didn't.
stayed just underneath it.
Oh.
In our really big rains, the water will go up and over this bridge, but we have it tethered so that it will break away.
Or just kind of float to the side.
Yeah, exactly. That's the whole idea. It'll break away, float to the side, and then we'll come back and put it up. So
Put it back
doesn't
up.
Cause any kind of damming.
Nice,
On
nice,
the
nice.
creek. This is all sadly urban runoff, but
Yeah.
it does make for beautiful habitat.
It gets kind of polluted with all the fertilizers and
Yeah.
hydrocarbons that come out of people's yard and stuff,
Yeah,
but
break fluids from the streets.
yeah.
Pet waste.
That's probably a big problem,
That
huh?
is a big polluter, absolutely. But the creek runs year-round. Now it used to dry up, but today it runs year-round.
Nice.
Our waterfall is only about 2 miles from here.
Nice. That's where our destination is. So we're looking forward to going down there. Is there any fish in here?
There are. We have largemouth bass and bluegill.
Oh, nice.
They're not native to the area. They were stocked years ago.
They leached out of this horse pond back here?
Yep. And but so it's fishing is legal with a license.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, and if you're under 16, you don't have to have a license.
Nice.
It's just that most of our fishing ponds are surrounded by poison oak, so it makes it a little bit different.
Yeah, I was just pointing out some poison oak as we were coming up here. Stay away from it. It seems to really be glossy right now.
We have a very good crop.
Well, hey, thanks for your time, and you have a We're gonna go ahead and head down this way. We're gonna section right down here, and then we'll be on the beach. That's our goal right there. Here we go, Andrew's coming down. Pretty cool. This is a nice little pool here. Go swimming.
The trail that was started from up here this way, and then now we're down here, and there's that little waterfall that's usually it's a lot more, and it even comes and conquers over some of that rock there.
That's like the terrain, pretty brutal. Rugged. Here's waterfall. So here me and Andrew are at the very top of Penasquitos waterfall. Right? Nice.
Hey guys.
Hey, what kind of rating you guys give that trail? Or that that route? You guys are bouldering, right?
Yeah, online it said B2.
Oh, right.
And I think that's pretty accurate.
That's pretty accurate?
Yeah.
Nice. That looks pretty tough.
Yeah, it's really scary.
It's really scary. Yeah, you guys got one pad or two pads down there?
Just one.
Just one? You guys are animals. Are you the first one to make it up?
Yeah.
And over here we also have these guys doing this supposedly V2 bouldering. We have Andrew right here. Just careful, man, careful. Solid right there.
Gotta be a time traveling desert man. Time traveling and the dinosaurs have. It's an open road.
Our squirrel friend over here.